Yeah, hurry up. Merry Christmas.
I'll give you the $8, but not in cash. I'll give you $8 of equity in my company. So your ownership stake could turn into $8 million down the road.
If you can't afford $8, go ahead and get off the line.